Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. Now today's video is just a good old regular vlog. I want to explore Little India here in Singapore. Now Little India has a bunch of really cool places that you can visit that I've already been to, so I'd like to show you guys those. But one of the really cool things that have been set up in Little India right now is a Diwali market. Like it's called, I think, the Festival Village Market, and it basically sells a bunch of things for Diwali. So I really want to check that out, and I thought since I'm going to Little India anyway to see that, I can show you guys a few other places. So yeah, let's just get going. Okay, so our first stop is this beautiful house which is called the Tang Nia House. It's this really colorful building here in Little India where everyone goes to click pictures. So let's check it out. Everyone's getting their pictures taken. Okay, so I just got some really cool pictures by the house which you will soon see on Instagram, or you've maybe already seen it. But now we're going to make our way to Tang Nia Market, which is one of the biggest markets here in Little India. You get literally everything there, like Indian vegetables, Indian clothes, just about everything. So let's go. So literally the first thing that you see as you come up the escalator in Tang Nia Market are salwar kameezes, right? Tons and tons of salwar kameezes and lehengas. I can't believe I'm in Singapore. Okay, so we're now at the ground floor of Tang Nia Market, and this place is kind of like a food haven. So they also have the fish market and I think a vegetable market at the bottom, but they have a really cool hawker center which is like an outdoor food court. So let's check it out. Okay, so after doing a little bit of research, what I've realized is that this market is a lot better at night. It's in fact supposed to be like one of the night markets which pop up here in Singapore. So what I've decided is that I won't show you guys the market right now, but I'll come back at night and film over here because I think it'll look a lot prettier. But in the meantime, because I'm really hungry now, I'm gonna head over to a nice Indian restaurant for some lunch. Let's go. So now I'm at the Little India Diwali Festival Village Market. There is a large Indian community here in Singapore, which is why Diwali is also celebrated like one of their major festivals here. During this time, Little India comes to life and it's all lit up, and this market just emerges out of nowhere. So let's go. Oh my god, there are actual diyas. absolutely insane. It literally had anything and everything that you would need to celebrate Diwali here. It had rangoli, it had diyas, it had all the latkans and torans, and it was just amazing. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then give this vlog a big fat thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course, do subscribe to my channel and click that little bell notification for more fashion, lifestyle and travel related videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!